Welcome, Mavericks, to the 2020-2021 school year. We most certainly aren't starting the year normal by any means, but we are so excited to see your faces and get this year rolling. With learning being digital, there is a lot of new information and procedures that I want to tell you about. But first, allow me to introduce myself and our wonderful library assistant. My name is Miss Wright, and I am the Madison librarian. Our library assistant is Miss Ruthie. We both love the library and serving our students' needs. Some things you may need from us are to check out books and resources, to locate books and resources, to recommend an interesting read, to help you with research questions, or anything else you might think of. With that being said, things will look a little bit different this year for any students using the library since most of us are going to be digital. And we will let you know about changes as campus. What are digital resources, you ask? The digital resources include ebooks, data books, and online tools that you will use in all classes throughout high school. The digital resources from the library are located in Launchpad under the Library Resources tab. Ebooks and audiobooks can be checked out through Overdrive. You can access Overdrive through Launchpad or download the app on your tablet or smartphone. Some quick facts about reading ebooks and audiobooks are no overdue books. Books are automatically returned after 3 weeks. You can listen to the audiobooks. Overdrive can be accessed 24/7. You can download it on your personal device and take it everywhere. Overdrive and Sora can both be used to access your district and campus ebooks, though most of us are familiar with Overdrive. Even your parents can get an account by contacting Miss Wright. We will watch the Overdrive videos linked to the right to learn how to check out ebooks and audiobooks shortly. With the changes to this year and most of us being distance learners, there are a few important things that I need as your librarian. You can use the virtual office hours or email to get help from Miss Wright, the librarian. If you have an ebook on hold, meaning it is checked out and you are on the waiting list, please fill out the Google form and let me know. This helps me to get books to you faster. You can also recommend books for purchase in the print and or ebooks by filling out the book recommendation Google form. Both of these forms are located in the Madison Library webpage under the Student Resources tab. If you are on the Madison Library webpage and you are looking for those Google Forms that I just referred to, you are simply going to scroll down to right here, Student Resources. You'll notice that there are several different things you can get a hold of here, but right here is the book recommendations form and the Overdrive Holds Google form. The Overdrive Holds Google form is simply to notify me, the librarian, that you are on a waiting list for an ebook in Overdrive. It asks for your first name, your last name, your ID, the title of the book, what number you are on the hold list, which you can find if you go to your checkouts in your Overdrive app, and if you are using this book for a project in a class, especially your English class, or if you're just reading this book for pleasure. Please fill out this form if you do put a book on hold. This helps me tremendously to get the book to you faster. I also love for students to give me recommendations of books that they would like to see in both our print and our ebook collections. So there is a Google form for book recommendations, which does ask for your full name, your student ID, and the book titles and authors if you have the author of the books that you recommend. You can put one book in this form, you can put a few books in this form, but I do highly recommend that you let me know the books that you'd like to see in your Madison Library collection. Miss Wright has virtual office hours to assist you. The link is located on the Madison webpage under the tab Virtual Learning. You can also email Miss Wright, and the email is located on the library webpage as well. The virtual office hours are located on the Madison Library webpage under Virtual School right here. You will need to be logged in because it is behind a secure wall. Once you log in, you will see the Zoom office hours link, and the office hours are right above. The only time these office hours will be different is when there are on-campus meetings that the librarian, Miss Wright, needs to attend. Those virtual office hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday in the morning from 8:15 to 9:15 a.m. and Tuesday and Thursday from 3:30 to 4:15 p.m. or by appointment by simply emailing Miss Wright at the email address linked in this presentation if you need an appointment. A couple of other ways to get connected in our Madison Library is through Unity Club, which meets in the library or by Zoom right now on Mondays at 3:30, and Book Clubs, which meets one Thursday a month at 9 a.m. If you'd like more information about the clubs in the Madison Library, there is a way to sign up. You do need to sign up for the Remind. The Madison Book Club Remind, you would text the number 81010 and you would send a text message of at KEC 9E6. The Madison Book Club does meet once a month, and we will start out virtual, and then once students are back on campus, we will have both a virtual and a face-to-face book club. We do share books. We share our love of reading, and we have a different book each month that we share. And the fun thing is our face-to-face meetings, students get to have breakfast, even better. Our Unity Club, which is sponsored by Miss Chandler and Miss Wright, meets by Zoom right now. And then once again, once students are back on campus, we'll meet on Monday afternoons at 3:30. Will also be offered virtually as well. That one is a club to really bring unity to our campus, to make sure that diversity is accepted and that everyone is represented at Madison High School. This is a really fun club, and we will be having a Unity Club conference on October 8th. So if you'd like to sign up for that, text 81010, and then your message should be at 3GK66. It is important that once you enter that text message, please message Miss Wright your name and student ID through the app so that I make sure that you are added to the roster for that club. Thank you guys so much for your time. We're so excited that you're here for this school year, even though it's starting just a little bit differently. Just a reminder that Miss Wright is your librarian and Miss Ruthie is your library assistant. We are here because we love books, reading, research, and we love to help you guys. So please reach out to us if you need anything at all. We are going to follow this video recording by watching the videos as to how to utilize Overdrive. And this video, as well as those videos, will be linked on the Madison Library webpage for you to view again if needed. We can't wait to start helping you and seeing you in those virtual office hours. Have a great day, Mavericks.